How to log in into CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and this is a step-by-step tutorial, so you will have no problem following. Now, first things first, you want to go ahead and open up CapCut right here, and just to make sure that you are following the same method, you can just go ahead and update CapCut from the App Store or Play Store depending on the device that you are using. Now once inside CapCut, you will then be taken to their home screen right here. To go ahead and log in your account, it is extremely simple. All you have to do is to click on the Me icon at the bottom of your screen. Now once inside, you will be taken to the login page right here where you can select to log in into TikTok, sign in with your Google account, sign in with email, sign in with Facebook, and lastly sign in with Apple. You can just go ahead and choose any one of these methods right here. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.